We are now going to add our bottom rail support. Our post wall to post wall spacing is right around 78 inches, and the bottom rail supports are included in the Tuscany C10 models in 7 and 8 foot kits. So it's questionable whether we need it here, but it came in this 8 foot kit, which we cut down to 78 inches. So we're going to add the bottom rail support. This is added with one screw. We found the center point of the bottom rail. We're going to center that side to side on the bottom rail and attach with one screw. We're going to wait to do the height adjustment until the bottom rail, so the railing system is attached to the hardware. The section is now assembled, and one of the unique features about Westbury is that the hardware is in cup form. So on this end, it's just simply dropping, the cups are open at the top, dropping both ends into the cup. On this end, we have the crossover application, and this seats inside here roughly 1/8 of an inch. Now, if you have a scenario where it's a crossover on both ends, you may be in a scenario where you need to leave this lag just a little bit loose so you can move your post. Although in most applications, you're going to be able to get enough flex out of the post to get a crossover on both ends. Everything's in position. Now we're ready to attach the rail to the cup. We're going to take the pan head screws. This is a side entry. And we're going to repeat on the back side. Then we're going to take the pan head screw. We're going to come up from the bottom, and I prefer to use a longer drill bit to keep the rotating part of the drill away from the post. A 6-inch long square head would be a better fit here, but I'm going to try hard not to damage the post. And you're going to repeat that on the other side. And generally what works best is if you use the elbow and come back. Now you're ready to put the covers in place. And this is a male-female tension fit and a nice little tap with a rubber mallet, and your cover is in place. We have the side entry screws in place. We're ready to put the covers in place. Flat side for the bottom rail, and then the rounded side for the top rail. We're ready to put the flat cap in place. This is a tension fit. We're also ready to put the flare in place. Now generally you want the flare, the removable portion on the outside of the deck, and I'm on the outside of the deck, so I'm going to put the flare in place, and it's a tap with the rubber mallet. The last step we're going to do here is to put our crush block in place. You can see there's about 1/4 inch of spacing, and we're just going to turn this down until it comes in contact with the deck. And line it up, and it's completed.